Okay, so you want to overlay a drawing onto another drawing. So you open up both drawings in Bluebeam, assuming that they're the same layout. So I have one floor plan, this is the reflected ceiling plan. I have one fire protection layout. They all have the same grid lines, which is the most important thing. So we're going to go back over to the reflected ceiling plan. This is what you want the under to be. Go into Bluebeam Tools. Bluebeam Document. In Bluebeam Document, there is Overlay Pages option. So here you have your selection options. This is what's going to be on the bottom. This is going to be on the top. Not that it really matters. Then you have the colors right here. This is what your colors are going to be coming in. So say let's turn this into black. You double click that, go here, turn this into black. That way the underlay will be black. And your fire protection, since fire protection is typically red, make this into red. Everything looks good. All right. Now, if you just hit OK, it'll try to align the points automatically. This is if you have a perfect drawing that's one on the top of another. It's not always the case, so we're going to go to Align Points. It says please choose 3 points in the document for manual alignment. This is where the grid lines are going to come in handy. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that really fast. When I click it, you see the one that pops up. The most important thing to note is that you have to do this in order. So whatever you select on this drawing, you have to select in the same order on the next drawing when you manually align the other one. I like to get the corners of the building, and then I'll do one on the south side. So do one, try to align it there. Doesn't necessarily have to be grid lines. And then once you hit the third one, it'll automatically switch you over to the other drawing. And you just do the same exact thing all over again. Once you're done, once you hit the third one on the second page, this will pop up again. Make sure you don't want to change your colors. Okay. There we go.